Hi friends, this is Irene again. Welcome to my channel Everyday English Vocabulary by Irene. Today I am here again with 5 more vocabularies. So let's start. List of vocabularies. Aggrieve, aid, ailing, aimless, albumen. Aggrieve, aggrieve, aggrieve. It means someone angry and sad because they think they have been unfairly treated. Someone angry and sad because they think they have been unfairly treated. Its opposite word is pacify. 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 To make someone calm, quiet and satisfied after they have been angry or upset. For example, the worker was much aggrieved at the rude behavior of his employers. 8. Aid. Aid. It means help such as money or food given by an organization or government to a country or to people who are in difficult situation. Help such as money or food given by an organization or government to a country or to people who are in difficult situation. Its opposite word is hindrance. 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 It means something that makes movement or progress difficult. For example, the development of the continent is now depends on foreign aid. Ailing. 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 It means in poor health. In poor health. Its opposite word is healthy. 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 It means physically strong and not likely to become ill or weak. For example, he went to his native village to see his ailing father. Aimless. 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 It means not having a clear purpose. Not having a clear purpose. Its opposite word is systematic. Systematic. Systematic means following a set method, arrangement or pattern. For example, the young man leads an aimless sort of life. Albumen. Albumen. Albumen means the white part of an egg. The white part of an egg. Its opposite word is yolk. 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 It means the yellow part of an egg. The yellow part of an egg. For example, the doctor has advised me to avoid the yolk and take only albumen of an egg. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel to learn more vocabularies and don't forget to click bell icon. Bye bye.